here we are making cutouts for Halloween. The main materials you'll need are 2 sheets of black A4 card, 1 sheet of white A4 paper, and as many sheets as you like of coloured acetate, a pencil, glue, and of course, scissors. Firstly, fold the A4 sheet of white paper carefully into 2. Then, with your pencil, draw the spooky outline of the shape you've decided to draw. I'm going over the line in black felt tip so you can see it better. Then, get cutting. To save having to use tricky knives and cutting mats, just cut in from any side to get at enclosed shapes. Here, it's the eye. Open up flat and hey, you have a template to use on your folded sheet of black A4. You can use ordinary pencil, but I'm using a white one so you can see the line more clearly. Cut the black paper out just as you did before with the white. Remember to use that cutting in trick from the side. There we are, one black shape. Now just do that all again so you have 2, and then the fun begins when you add your coloured acetate. Here I've chosen yellow to cover all the features. You can measure by eye or use a felt tip, oh I forgot to mention that at the start, to mark where you need to cut. Apply the glue and carefully press the sheet of acetate on top. Continue with different colours for various features. Just play around and have fun. So now you have one black sheet covered in gluey acetate pieces. To make your work look good on both sides, glue the second black shape over it. So there we are, a spooky pumpkin for your window to welcome trick-or-treaters at Halloween. Or it could be a creepy cute cat. Whatever shape you make, they look perfect on your window, day or night. Once you've made the white template, you're on your way. It's dead easy. Just sketch out different ideas and then take off with your Halloween window cutout. Have fun!